Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of ratio. We can learn the method of ratio through a question. So the question is the number of girls to boys are in the ratio 2 is to 3. There are 60 girls in the class. Find the number of boys in the class and the total number of students in the class. So we can move on to the answer. The number of girls to boys are in the ratio 2 is to 3. So girls to boys, the number of girls to boys is in the ratio 2 and 3. So writing 2 in the girls place and 3 in the boys place. So 2 and 3. There are 60 girls in the class. So writing 60 in the girls position, we want to find the number of boys in the class. So how can we find the number of boys in the class? So we want to convert the 2 of girls to 60. So how can we convert 2 to 60? So if we want to convert 2 to 60, we want to multiply 2 with 30. When we multiply 2 with 30, we would get 60. So we multiplied 30 in the girls position, so with that same number we want to multiply the number in the boys position, so that we can get the total number of boys in the class. So 2 into 30 is 60, so we want to multiply 3 with the same number 30, so multiplying 3 and 30 we would get 90. So there are 60 girls in the class and 90 boys in that same class. So number of boys would be 90 and the total number of students in the class would be 60 plus 90, and 60 plus 90 would be 150. We can move on to next question. The cement and sand are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 5. There are 20 sacks of cement. Find the number of sacks used to mix with the cement. So there are 20 sacks of cement there, and we want to find the number of sand sacks used to mix with the cement, and the ratio is 1 is to 5. We can move on to answer. Cement is to sand is in the ratio 1 is to 5. So cement is to sand, the ratio of cement is to sand is 1 is to 5. So there are 20 sacks of cement, so writing 20 in cement's place. So converting 1 to 20, we want to multiply it with 20. 1 into 20 is 20. So we want to multiply the same number in sand's place, so that we can get the total amount of sand used for mixing with the cement. So the number in the place of sand is 5. So 5 when multiplied by 20 would get 100. So if we take 20 sacks of cement, we need 100 sacks of sand to mix with it. So the sand sacks needed for 20 sacks of cement would be 100. Move on to the last question. To make a dosha batter, the rice mixed with urad dal is in the ratio 2 is to 5. 16 cups of rice is used. How much urad do we need to mix with 16 cups of rice? So we can move on to the answer. So rice is to urad. So first rice is to urad is in the ratio 2 is to 5. So there are 16 cups of rice, so 16 writing 16 in the rice place. So converting 2 to 16, we need to multiply 2 with 8. So multiplying 2 with 8, we would get 16. So we want to multiply the same number with the number that is in the place of urad dal. So the number that is in the place of urad dal is 5. So multiplying the same number with urad, we would get 5 and 8 would be 14. So if we use 16 cups of rice, we need 40 cups of urad to mix with it to make a dosha batter. So there is an exercise question for you all. There are 70 men in the committee. The ratio of men and women are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Find the number of women and total number of people in the committee. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.